Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick the settings to open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down, and as you can see we have the device watermark option. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and off as we need. And here we have also the second watermark, the timestamp. By using button from the right, of course, we can turn it on and off also. So for now, let me keep turn it on these two watermarks, and let's move back to the camera to take the picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. From the left, we have XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite watermark with auto intelligent dual camera, so the device one. And from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need just one of this, we have to go back to the camera, then to the right corner, then to the left settings, slide a little bit down and pick here whatever we need, or just turn them off. So for now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.